How to calculate age using DATEDIF function in Excel. Using DATEDIF function can come in handy if you have thousands of respondents' dates of birth to calculate their ages. Select the range of cells of the dates of birth column. From the list, select Format Cell. Ensure that the Number tab is selected. Navigate to Dates. Select this format and hit OK. Do the same for the range of cells in the Age column. From the list, select Format Cell. Ensure that the Number tab is selected. From the list, navigate to Number. Select this format and hit OK. Populate the date of birth for each cell according to the chosen format. Once completed, proceed to the age range. Begin with an equal sign. Type the DATEDIF function and select the cell that contains the date of birth, followed by a comma, today function, and a comma. Now add Y in a quotation mark to represent the year. Close the brackets and press the Enter key to see the results. You can generate the rest of the ages by clicking and dragging the black square at the lower right corner to apply the formula to the rest of the cells to compute their ages. That's it. TechTricksGh, share, like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for more tutorials.